The easiest way to change the wallpaper on your Pixel phone is to press and hold any empty space on your home screen. A little menu opens up, and you can tap Wallpaper and Style to change the wallpaper. First, you'll see your current wallpaper and how it looks on both the home screen and lock screen. Below that, there's a preview for alternative wallpapers, which you can change with a single tap, or if you want to browse more options, you can tap the More Wallpapers button. Here, you'll see all the built-in wallpaper options, and there's a ton to choose from. The main view isn't just wallpapers, it's categories. Tap any of those and you'll see more options for that category. Landscapes, for example, has a bunch of amazing landscape photos to choose from. You can pick any wallpaper and you'll get a preview, again, of how it'll look on the lock screen and home screen. You can also tap and edit the photo, although editing in this case means mostly zooming in and out and repositioning the photo. Once you're happy with the positioning, you can tap the checkmark, look at one more preview, and then apply the new wallpaper. And of course, if you want to use your own custom photo as a wallpaper, you can do that too. Tap the button on the very top to choose your own photo, and you can then find your photo in the photo gallery. Once your photo has been picked, you'll notice how there's also effects that you can apply to your wallpaper. It'll load for a while with this weird, glowy effect flying over your screen. That is not the effect. It's just there to show that things are loading. The actual effects are kind of silly. You can add a frame like this to your photo. I don't know who would want this, but I guess someone thought it's a cool effect. The other effect allows you to add weather, fog, rain, snow, that kind of stuff. And the last, cinematic option, allows you to apply a 3D effect to your photo. How well that works kind of depends on your photo. And the weather effects, even though they're kind of corny, I tried the fog effect on this drone shot that I captured when the weather was actually pretty foggy, and on this one, it looks pretty nice. So that's how you change wallpapers. Click that like button below if this helped you, and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in another video.